He lives the life we all dream about.
So incredible!
BÁTOR Bencsik from Hungary travels around the world and collects experiences.
I'm traveling since 2014 as a backpacker, and now I'm gonna share with you everything.
Then it's the story of when he got a sailboat. With the small 30-foot sailboat, he has travelled across the Bay of Biscay without the prior knowledge of sailing. He likes challenges.
I'm in the Canarian Islands right now. I came here with my boat from Norway.
Follow our series about BÁTOR and his adventure. Click on subscribe and you are sure not to miss it.
The dreams come true!
Feelings that